Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this radical expression. So we have the square root of the square root of 121 minus the square root of 120. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to simplify this radical, the square root of 121. And the square root of 121, as you all know, is 11. So we have the square root of 11 minus the square root of 120. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to simplify this radical, the square root of 120. So let's write 120 over here. And what are some factors of 120? Well, I'm going to do 40 and 3. So 3 is already prime, so we could leave that alone. So now let's focus on 40. What are some factors of 40? Well, we have 4 and 10. So 4 can be simplified into 2 and 2, and these two are a pair, and both of them are prime. And 10, this can be simplified into 5 and 2. So now we have 3 numbers that are left alone, that are prime, and we have 1 pair. So the pair goes on the outside, so we have 2 root, and now we multiply these left alone numbers. So 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times 3 is 30. So we have 2 root 30. So we have the square root of 11 minus 2 root 30. So this is currently in the form the square root of a plus b minus 2ab. And what we want to do is we want to turn it into the form the square root of a minus the square root of b. We want to turn it into this form. Well, to do that, let's find out our values. A plus b here, this is equal to 11. A plus b is equal to 11. And in the radical, we have 30, which is equal to ab. So ab is equal to 30. So now we have to find two numbers that fit these two equations. Well, the two numbers are actually 6 and 5, because 6 plus 5 is 11, and 6 times 5 is 30. So a is equal to 6, and b is equal to 5. So now if I plug these two numbers in here, we get the square root of 6 minus the square root of 5. And this is actually our answer to this problem.